Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to combine two Sonos system into one using the Sonos mobile app. Let's get started. First, it's important to know in Sonos, a system means a group of speakers set under one Wi-Fi network and one account. You can't directly combine two different systems unless you reset one of them and add the speaker to the other system. So here is how you do. Decide which Sonos system you want to keep, the one with the most speaker or the one already set up how you like. Now on the other system, the one you want to merge in, you need to factory reset each speaker. Unplug the speaker, hold down the join, play, pause or Bluetooth button. While holding it, plug the speaker back in. Repeat this for each speaker from the second system. Now go back to your phone, open the Sonos app, sign in into the account of your main system. Make sure your phone and all speakers are on the same Wi-Fi network. The app will detect the reset speaker, tap add product and follow the on-screen step to add each speaker to your existing system. Once added, you can assign each speaker to a room and even group them together for multi-room listening. And that's it. We have now combined two Sonos system into one using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.